Let me show you how to work a half double crochet decrease. HDC DEC, short for half double crochet decrease. So we will start by making a yarn over on our hook, then go into the next stitch and bring up a loop. Then we will immediately go into the next stitch and yarn over and bring up another loop. So we now have 4 loops on our hook, and we yarn over and bring it through all those 4 loops. So now we worked into 2 stitches and we created 1 stitch here. So that was a half double crochet decrease. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go into the next stitch and bring up a loop. Go into the next stitch and bring up a loop. And then yarn over and go through all 4 loops on your hook.